Nací con viento, crecí con barco y a trago largo me llevo su aliento. Pueblo adorado, de hombre sereno, de hombre moreno, de pelo enredado. Nací con viento, crecí con barco y a trago largo me llevo su aliento. Pueblo adorado, de hombre sereno, de hombre moreno, de pelo enredado.
The picture of CDC International MUN is incomplete without the unwavering support of our sponsors. They helped us turn vision into reality. As we move ahead, the committees have resumed from exactly where they were left yesterday. But the bar today is much higher. The competition is intense, the delegates are ready to win the prizes, and some of them are performing so well.
Hi, I'm Eliza. I'm from Delhi Public School, Chandigarh. This is my first MUN and CGC, and I am representing CHARD. I am in the committee UNGA Historic. The agenda for my committee is we're discussing about the bilateral tensions between India and Pakistan. Thank you so much. Thank you, CGC, MUN.
Greetings everyone, I am Aida Balde. I am from West Africa and a country called the Gambia. So this is actually my second MUN experience. My first MUN experience was actually at my university, which is Dishbagat University. And this is my second MUN experience, which is in CGC Landran 2026 MUN conference. And this is actually the best MUN conference I've ever attended. My portfolio is South Africa and my committee is the UNHRC, which is the United Nations Human Rights Committee. But this CGC MUN, well, it's actually fancy. I mean, everything, the decoration, the food, the theme, the committee, the people, the delegates, name them, the organizing committee, everything is just wow. And I couldn't be more proud of the organizing committee. They did a wonderful job. And guess what? If CGC is doing any international conference, I will be present, definitely. So thank you, CGC MUN Conference 2026. This is actually the best and you guys are the best. Kudos to all of you. I am grateful.
The last committee we have is Prayas Committee, and we have a delegate from the committee with us. So let us ask her some questions. Hi ma'am, can you introduce yourself?
Yes, ma'am. My name is Vanshika. I am at 12th standard and I'm from Institute for the Blind, 6026 Chandigarh.
Alright ma'am, have you done MUNs before?
Yes, ma'am. This is my fourth MUN here.
Alright, so what is the agenda that you are debating on today?
Okay, the agenda is the impact of digitalization on education of students with disabilities.
As we come to the end of the conference, CDC International MUN has been a journey of ideas, debates, and lessons. The conference may be ending, but the friendships, experiences, and learnings we had will last forever. With this, we conclude the 9th edition of CGC International MUN with pride and gratitude. Thank you.
मैं चला गया और तुम लोग रिलैक्स हो गए। हमारे बिना एडिशन खत्म कैसे करोगे? मैं इतना दूर हूँ पता है, पर तुम्हारा क्योस बिल्कुल साफ दिखाई दे रहा है। तुम्हारे ब्लंडर्स बहुत क्लियरली, और वही जो सब लोग बोलते हैं हो जाएगा, ठीक है, देख लेंगे, कोई बात नहीं। गुड टू सी द ट्रेडिशन इज अलाइव। और वही लोग जो पहले से यहाँ पे वो लोग जानते हैं कौन हूँ मैं, और जो लोग नए हैं, वेलकम टू द फैमिली। इस साल तुमने सर्वाइव किया, नेक्स्ट ईयर विल डोमिनेट दिस। लेगेसी का ख्याल रखना, डोंट ब्रेक इट। और हाँ, एक बात याद रखना, लेजेंड हम थे, तुम बस ट्राई कर रहे हैं।